There are no answers. There are pretenders who claim to have
For
answers.
more than 50 years, Mahesh Bhatt's life has been anything but easy. From kissing his own biological daughter to being responsible for various deaths in Bollywood. This is the controversial life of Mahesh Bhatt. Born in the year 1948, Mahesh Bhatt is a renowned Indian film director and producer known for movies like Sadak, Dil Hai Ki Manta Nahi, and Aashiqui. But our story starts from early 1970s, back when Mahesh Bhatt married his first wife, Lauren Bright. And if that name does not ring a bell, then you're not alone. Lauren Bright was a Christian who converted into Hinduism after marrying Mahesh Bhatt, naming herself Kiran Bhatt in the process. In the very same decade, Mahesh and Kiran will go on to have two kids, Rahul and Pooja Bhatt, while starting a series of controversial incidents. You see, in this same decade, Mahesh Bhatt came into intense media scrutiny as the nation found out that he was in an extramarital affair with a very popular actress, Parveen Babi. Now, for those who don't know, Parveen was an extremely talented and successful actress. However, she had a lot of mental illnesses and problems which later led to her eventual demise and death. And if the idea of a leading film director being in an extramarital affair with a popular actress does not spark a debate, what eventually does lead to a major controversy is Parveen's death, which was later related to her affair with Mahesh. And this was just one out of many lifelong controversies to come. You see, in the 1980s, Mahesh Bhatt found himself in yet again an extramarital affair, this time with popular actress Soni Rastan. Soni was a British national turned Indian actress who will go on to become the primary reason why Mahesh Bhatt finally divorces his first wife, Kiran, and marries Soni in the year 1986. The two will go on to have two daughters, Shaheen and Alia, and yes, the very same Alia Bhatt we know today. The years leading to the 1990s, Mahesh Bhatt was involved in many other controversies, mainly because of his production of erotic movies back in a very skeptical Indian society. But that was about to change in the 1990s. I don't even know how to put this together actually. So, you see, in the 90s, our guy Mahesh was pictured smooching his young daughter Pooja Bhatt. Which, just to play the devil's advocate, could be completely innocent, but why would you publish it in a magazine? And as you can guess, this led to a rage in the masses.
I mean, that was absolutely innocent. अभी भी वही 10.5 pound की बच्ची हो ना for my father.
Like he has already been into 2 extramarital affairs so far, and now he is publishing himself smooching his daughter in a magazine. That was not appealing to the crowd. And it does not help that in the same decade, his movies like Dakham were marked by the censorship board in India. And in the years since, Mahesh Bhatt continues to be under intense public pressure thanks to his weird and controversial lifestyle. Whether it's due to nepotism or his strange relationship dynamics with young actresses like Kangana Ranaut, Riya Chakraborty, and even the late actress Jia Khan. Also, I know that I've mentioned the topic of strange deaths in Bollywood previously in the video, but there are 2 specific incidences that I think we need to address in this very video. The first is the self-exit of actress Jia Khan, who was known to be a popular acquaintance of Mahesh Bhatt. He was known to be friends with Jia even when she was very, very young. Now, Jia was found in her room. She had apparently self-exited, but Mahesh Bhatt was brought into the conversation when it was found out that Jia was an acquaintance of Mahesh Bhatt. And let's be honest, a man who's pushing his 60s has no business being friends with a girl who is in her early 20s. And when the media found this out, they connected this very incident to the strange death of Parveen Babi. And that is not even it. Mahesh Bhatt was said to be related to the death of the late actor Sushant Singh Rajput as well, who was found under eerily similar circumstances as the actress Jia Khan. Both of these actors had self-exited and they were somehow related to Mahesh Bhatt, which, let's be honest, considering his shady past, I would not put it past him. And both of these incidences just contributed to the web of strange and controversial aspects of Mahesh Bhatt's life. And I know that these theories sound rather outlandish, but I think it is interesting to just think about how all of these strange occurrences just surround this one very controversial person. And that was it for the video, guys. If you did like this video, then don't forget to subscribe the channel and give this video a thumbs up. If you do like such videos, then don't forget to stay tuned for my next video, which is dropping very soon. And with that being said, thanks for watching. Bye bye.